if you put continuous numbers, consecutive positive integers, okay, sum of all positive integer, you have one number like this. Any number is the last number. Suppose you want to add everything, use sigma n formula. Sigma n is equal to n plus 1 by 2. N into next number divided by 2. N into next number of n divided by 2. For example, sigma 10. Sigma 10 means 10 into next number is 11 by 2. 55. So for Gauss, the teacher told to calculate 1 to 100. Sigma 100. Sigma 100 means what? Sum of all positive integer 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that till 100. They told him to add. So 100 into next number is 101 divided by 2. So what happened when I divide? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
So 50. So 50 into 110 will become 0505. This is the answer he did. So the formula is sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula also we are going to use now. Now let us go to some of the terms. Let us go to some of the terms. SN formula. Some of the terms means adding. Suppose this formula will be useful only when it is continuous. Okay, if it is not continuous, we use two formulas. One is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, another formula is n by 2 into a plus l. L is the last term. L is the last term. A is the first term. D is common difference. N is number of terms. So, SN formula will be two formulas. What are the two formulas? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And another formula, n by 2 into a plus l. Okay. Now, what is the Gauss formula is sigma n. Whenever sum of all positive integer continuous is coming, that time you can use n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. This is sum of all positive integers formula. These three formulas we are going to use to do the next exercise. Okay. So the first exercise, first sum. Can anybody read? Exercise 5.3 first sum. Exercise 5.3 first sum. Can anyone read?
Ma'am, you told last exercise only there, ma'am.
5.3, 5.2, we exercise 5.3 first one. 5.2 for last portion we will do. At the end we will do. Now you tell me 5.3 first sum.
From page number 112.
112, very good.
Exercise 5.3.
Yes, 5.3.
Find the sum of the following APs.
Find sum of the APs. Okay, sum of the following AP.
2, 7,
2, 7,
12, space, to 10th terms.
To 10 terms. So n will be 10. This shows that this n is equal to 10. Okay. A is equal to 2. And D. What is D? Second term minus first term. So what is second term minus first term? 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. Plus 5 or minus 5? Yeah. Plus 5 or minus 5? Mute.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. Why it is plus 5? Because the AP is increasing. If A is decreasing, it is minus 5. Okay. Now go to formula. SN. SN is equal to n by 2 into first formula. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. This is the formula. Now here n is 10. S10. So S10 is equal to 10
by 2.
S10 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 into 2. A is 2. Plus mute yourself, children. 10 minus 1 into 5. Only when you are answering, you have to unmute. So 5. 2 2s are 4. Plus 9 5s are you should do first. I told you already. In this AP, people go wrong when they are adding. They should multiply this n minus 1 into d first. And then add the 2a. Okay. 9 5s are 45. So put 45 here. So this mistake you should not do. So 45 plus 4 is 49. So 5 into 49?
245.
245. So yes, 10 is equal to. If I add this term till 10 terms, I get 245 as my answer. But 10th terms It's not asked. If they ask 10th term, you should do 10th term AN formula. What is 10th term formula? AN formula. AN formula, Krishnendu. What is AN formula? Krishnendu is there. AN formula will be A plus N minus 1 into D. That is what the previous exercise we are learning. This is SN formula, sum of all. Understand the difference. This is nth term formula. This is sum formula. Okay, sum means addition. Sum of all the numbers. Okay, now second means first sum. Second means first sum also one of you dictate. Abhishek, dictate or Abhijit. Aditi. Yeah, others mute. Who's reading?
Second main, ma'am.
Yeah, second main first sum.
Find the sums given below. 7 plus 10, 1 by...
Okay.
7 plus 10, 1 by 2.
7 plus 10, 1 by 2 plus...
Plus 14.
14.
Plus last term. Ma'am, last term is plus
term
84.
84. Okay. Now, very careful. This is fraction is there. So, be careful. You have to do A is equal to 7. D is equal to 10 and a half minus 7. 10 and minus 7 is 3 and a half. 10 and a half minus 7 is 3 and a half. And this is last term is given 84. Last term is given. N is not given. We cannot substitute. Try to understand. We need N for both the formula. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2 into A plus L. Both we need. L is given, but N is not given. So first find out N. How will we find N? Last term, L is equal to AN. AN formula is given. A plus N minus 1 into D. This answer is 84, children. This answer is 84. Do you understand? The last one is 84. From there, you calculate N. Then go to SN formula. Here, it is 3-mark question because you need to calculate N and then go to SN. Okay, so here 7 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 3 and a half. 3 and a half means 7 by 2. 3 and a half means what, children? 3 and a half means 7 by 2. Correct, no? 3 and a half is 7 by 2. So put 7 by 2 only. 84. Now what should I do? First bring this 7 this side. So N by 2 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. What is 84 minus 7? 77. Now you bring this 7 by 2. 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Correct? 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Cancel, you get what?
22.
11,
22.
you get 22. Now what is
N
N?
is equal to 23. 23.
Very good, very good. Now mute yourself. Now go to SN formula. I want Abhijit or Bhagya to answer SN. What is SN formula? Both are not there. Okay, I don't know. They are not there.
Ma'am, they are there, ma'am.
They are there, not answering. What is the formula for SN, Bhagya? Quickly. N by 2. Naresh.
Ma'am, shall I tell ma'am?
Who is that?
Afra, ma'am.
Afra, very good. You say Afra. What is N by SN formula?
N by 2 into 2A plus
Yeah, you use second formula.
into N minus.
That is first formula. Here L is given, right? L is 24. L is given here. L is given here. So straight away put A plus L, second formula. Okay. So
Ma'am, S is equal to N by 2 to A plus N minus 1 whole D, ma'am.
correct, very good. But second formula you must use because last term, that term formula also you can use, you get the same answer. But easy to do is last term formula is given. A plus L. Last term is AN. L means what, children? AN. AN we know 84, right? So straight away start. 7 plus 84. What is the next step?
Add.
Tell
7
me.
plus 84. Add, ma'am.
7
Add.
plus 84.
What you will get?
91.
91. So 23 into 91 you should add and divide by 2. What is 23 into 91? Can anyone multiply 23 into 91 in rough column?
Two zero nine three.
2093.
2093 divided by 2 is the answer. Or you still more you want to do 10 4, 6, 1.5, 6 half. Okay, so Sn is 1046 by 2. That is sum of all the terms given AP. Okay, if you do correctly, you will get answer. Both the formulas you can use, children. See, there are 2 formulas which I taught you. 3 formulas today we have learned. What are the 3 formulas we have learned? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, a plus l. A plus l is nothing but an. L is nothing but an. An is given, straight away use this formula. Then this is Gauss formula, sigma, sum of all the positive integer. Now, along with homework, I will give you the sum of all positive integers. Okay. Now, homework will be first main, how many sums are left of first main and second main homework. Along with homework, please find out sigma 1000, sigma 2000, sigma 700. Okay, these 3 also you try this formula. Okay, sigma means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you keep adding till 1000. Okay, so these 3 sums you can add with the homework. So how many sums homework? We have first main, 3 more sums in the first main, and 2 more sums in the second main. 5 sums, 6, 7, 8. 8 sums.
8, ma'am.
8 sums homework, children. Okay, please do homework today. Continuous. Everyone should do. Mithun should not give me any incomplete list to me. I should be happy because you are studying. Anytime God has given good health, God help us to study, not to waste time. Okay. So please study till how much we can do. We keep doing. When the situation will end, it is reaching the peak now. It's highest. So by the August 15th afterwards also school will not reopen by this time. We do not know when they will open the school, but we should keep studying and we should keep our mind fresh, alert, and always occupied with good things. Okay, preoccupied mind. We should have good things occupied, not bad things. So keep studying. You are studying 10th standard. Remember, okay, and also pray for our 10th standard result, which is going to be declared. Nice results should come from school. Think, okay. Shall we end it now? Shall we leave the meeting? So many internet problem. I have completed this because we can't waste Monday morning time. We cannot waste, children. Okay, that's why. Please do the sums. 3 formulas only. Put the 3 formulas in classwork. Put what all board work. Put it in the classwork and then do the homework. Okay, sigma sum also you try, like mind calculation you try, sigma 5, sigma 6, because anywhere you go they'll ask you. So you will be, if you are good in mind calculation, you will be good in written also. Okay, children, shall we leave the meeting or anything else to talk? Any doubt, any discussion? Any other discussion?
No, ma'am.
No discussion.